Hello, Excel enthusiasts. Whether you're crunching numbers at work, managing your personal finances, or dabbling in data analysis for fun, Excel is your best friend. Today, we're diving into some essential Excel skills that will make your spreadsheet sing. From getting started with the basics to automating tasks with macros and VBA, we'll cover it all. Stick around to gain the skills to turn a raw spreadsheet into a data driven masterpiece. Ready to boost your Excel prowess and impress your boss, your coworkers, or just yourself? Let's get into it. All right, let's kick things off with the Excel interface. Think of it as your command center. You have the ribbon at the top with tabs like Home and Formulas filled with all the tools you'll need. Then there's the Quick Access toolbar, which you can customize for instant access to your favorite commands. Down below, you'll find the formula bar where all the action happens with your data input. And don't forget the status bar. It's great for quick stats like averages or sums when you select cell ranges. An example, say you've got a column full of monthly expenses. Just highlight it and look down. Boom, your total spend appears right there. Next up, navigating through workbooks and worksheets. Picture your workbook as a digital binder, full of individual worksheets, each like a page in your binder. Super handy for organizing data. Use the Sheet tabs at the bottom to flip through your pages. Pro tip, Control Page Up Down lets you blaze through sheets without even touching your mouse. And for those larger-than-life sheets, scrolling or using your mouse wheel works wonders. Imagine you've got January to December worksheets for tracking sales. Quickly hop between months without breaking a sweat. Now on to data entry and adding a bit of pizzazz with formatting. Just click a cell and start typing. That's your data entry. Once you've got your data in, head over to the Home tab to start sprucing things up. Want to make your text pop? Adjust the font, size, or color. Got some numbers and need that dollar sign? Switch them to currency format. It's all here. Example, you've listed product names and prices in Excel. Select those price cells, format them with a dollar sign, and add borders to keep it all tidy and professional. Easy peasy. Your info goes from plain to presentation ready in no time. Formulas are where Excel shines like a diamond. Let's start with lookup. It's like a detective in your sheet. Give it a clue, a value in the first column, and it tracks down data from across the table. But remember, it only searches in the leftmost column, which is where XLOOKUP jumps in for more flexibility. For logic lovers, the IF function is your go-to. Think of it as Excel's choose your own adventure. Check if a condition is met. Then dish out different outcomes. For instance, assigning grades based on test scores is a breeze with nested IFs. These powerful tools transform your sheets into dynamic decision-making dashboards. When you've got a mountain of data, pivot tables are like having a superpower. They let you break down and analyze info fast. Just drag fields into rows or columns and see your data reshaped like magic. Want totals? Put data in values. You have sales data for different regions and products? A pivot table can sum it all up in a blink. And what's a pivot table without a pivot chart? They're like peanut butter and jelly. They just work. Create charts that update automatically as you tweak your pivot tables, making data visually appealing and easy to digest. Say goodbye to mundane tables and hello to dynamic data storytelling. Onward to the land of automation. Macros are your shortcut to consistency and speed. Imagine you have a table format you keep using. Record a macro. Applying those styles, then apply it with the click of a button next time. It's that simple. Dive deeper, and you have VBA, the language of Excel wizards. VBA lets you build custom functions and automate the nitty-gritty. It might sound complex, but with some practice, you're crafting custom functions like get first name from full names. Start with recording macros, then venture into VBA to supercharge your spreadsheets and shave minutes or even hours off your tasks. We've journeyed from the basics to the brink of coding in Excel. Whether you're polishing your first spreadsheet or automating tasks like a pro, these tools give you the freedom to transform data into decisions and information into insights. Mastering Excel isn't just about numbers. It's about boosting your capability in whatever you do. The more you practice, the more confident you'll become in manipulating data efficiently. Dive deeper, and you might even surprise yourself with what you can create. Thanks for tuning in. I hope you've unlocked a new level of Excel mastery today. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button for more tips and tricks. Got questions or specific topics you'd love to explore further? Drop them in the comments below. I'd love to hear from you. Check out the description for links to some fantastic Excel resources to level up even more. Keep clicking around, and soon you'll wonder how you ever manage spreadsheets without these nifty techniques. Until next time, keep those Excel sheets looking sharp and data-driven. Happy excelling!